Hey guys, today I decided to share with you how it's going in Spain. It's been like 3 months since I quit my job and came here, and it's pretty good. I'm still alive, exploring my surroundings with the bicycle. Yeah, it's very pretty here, mountains and stuff. I still love them. The heat, the sun heat, all is good. Currently, I'm visiting my friends. They're building their house in Spain, and I'm kind of helping them with that. Like, we're building roof now. They made me this tent, and I'm living in it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, not much car life anymore, but still I travel with my car to some parks and stuff, and I still camp in my car, so it's always an option. It's all good. It's all good. Except this. This is a little messed up. So I was working on the roof, and it's sun from every angle, and I was working like whole week in the sun without sunscreen. Yeah, maybe stupid. I just don't like sunscreen, and yeah, it got pretty burnt. You can learn from my mistake, and yeah, look at this. Yeah, so it's pretty messed up. Yeah, all of these things. Yeah, it hurts. So yeah, because of this, my friends and people around me is like quite concerned. Every morning they say, "Oh man, your nose is so messed up. It's so bad." And yeah, I'm just trying to talk with them, explain that it will heal, it's no worries, everything will be good. But our conversation usually goes like, "Dude, your nose is so messed up." Yeah, I know, thanks for the concern. You're probably gonna get skin cancer. First option, and it's like skin cancer. Dude, no, it's like worst case cancer. Dude, just stop it, man. It will be fine. Your nose is gonna fall off. No, I hope not. Leave me alone, dude. And to make things even worse, this night I dreamt that my face turned into something like this. Yeah, it wasn't a nice dream. So yeah, I thought that I should prevent all of this bullying, and try to invent something that should prevent all this without any oils or any sunscreen. Just something simple, and maybe good for everybody. So yeah, I just come up with an idea, and I think it's pretty brilliant, those scarves, these ones, so I could work like that. I think it's like my nose is safe, but it's freaking Spain, it's hot. It's made to make your neck warm and stuff, and I don't want all that. I just need to hide my nose. So what do? I just measure my nose, yeah, like that, and come here about that size. Cool. And I'm just gonna cut it, trying to make it as straight as possible. Pretty straight, I guess. So yeah, that's simple. Whenever people are scared to death for their nose and rubbing all that stinky sunscreen on their noses, I will be like, I got the solution for myself. It's awesome.
We at Noseband Incorporated strongly care about your health, good looks, and reputation. Our products will help you to express your inner tastes.
I'm fast as wind, yeah.
Nose Bandana is most versatile product on the market.
I'm flying.
You can wear it for any occasion or situation.
I'm Spider-Man.
We strongly believe that you should buy our stuff. If you want attention, just take it. effortless. You will feel more safe and confident.
Amazing.
We are the latest and safest fashion trend of 2020.
Breakdance.
Don't be a peasant and grab one.
This is real.
So yeah, I think this will take care of all my problems, and I guess my friends will be very jealous now. Cause look at this swag, man. And if any of you want this, I can create like 4 or 5 more, because as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, well, 5 if you have a small nose. So yeah, I can cut them and send it to you. I only require like, I don't know, half Bitcoin. That should work, you know. Or I might just create something like Patreon. It seems to be popular these days, and first people who will subscribe, I will send it to them. Yeah, got it. Also, this attracts a lot of attention, so keep that in mind, because you will be swarmed with people who want to kiss you. So I warned you, and you know where you're getting into. So yeah, I guess I will see you next time.
Target neutralized.
Garage like roots, I got more whips than Gucci. Riviera sitting on the Bulls' best hooper. Y'all still riding 20s, y'all some Oompa Loompas. Don't swing on niggas, they got bad behavior. My 415s woke up the neighbors. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.
Sunscreen smells so bad, and you put it on your nose and it's like it stinks all day. You breathe stinkness all day, you know, stinkness. I don't like that. I don't want that.